Hi, I'm Nick Anastos, a sales executive in the Ingram Micro Communication Solution Services business unit. In an earlier video segment in this series, we introduced you to our Workbench service offer. If you haven't yet had an opportunity to view that video, I would encourage you to take a few minutes to watch it to learn about all the many ways Workbench can help you and your organization. Today, I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about one of the many ways Workbench, our material requirement planning tool and job system for managed IT services and deployments, is helping our customers provide next-level product demo solutions to both their existing and prospective end users. So it's no secret that getting demo product into the hands of clients to test, to try out, truly experience can be crucial to closing out those opportunities as closed won versus closed lost. Before Workbench, we very often heard from our customers, whether they were a service provider, a hardware reseller, or a vendor. They told us that managing, maintaining, sending out, and keeping track of demo equipment was extremely cumbersome. It required an internal resource that they either didn't have or required an individual or a team to take on the program. Creating an entirely new role and hiring someone to manage the process was just cost prohibitive. They were really looking for a way to hand off the management of the process and the product that they utilize for these end user demos. Here at Communication Solution Services, we've created a demo program that utilizes Workbench plus other services to provide vendors, service providers, hardware resellers a comprehensive, streamlined process to manage their product demo solutions while we take care of the heavy lifting, thus eliminating a lot of the previous problems and concerns that they experience. This same program can be used for trials, try before you buy programs, field sales kits, or other requirements where hardware needs to be loaned for a duration of time. And after that loan or trial period, it needs to be returned, refreshed, staged, and put back into a queue for that next customer opportunity. So how does this work? So on the front end, the materials requirement planning portion of Workbench supports the unique mix of hardware that's needed. Our team works with a client to bring in the product that they need for the demo. Again, this product can be really any type of hardware and cross multiple technology sectors, whether the sector is UCC, IoT, DCPOS. The hardware can be as simple as a single phone, maybe with a headset, or as complex as a combination of hardware from multiple vendors. An IP phone from vendor A, a headset from vendor B, an edge device like a router from vendor C, and a video camera from vendor D. Or it can include networking gear, hubs, laptops, a wireless SIM card, power supplies, and connecting cables. I often say that the limitations on the hardware really are within the opportunity itself. But what really sets this program apart is our ability to work with the client, to understand the intended customer experience. What do they want to land on site on that end user's desk? From opening the demo solution to actually using the product, how immersive do they want that end user experience to be? If they want to demonstrate their hosted video conferencing platform with a live call through the demo kit, or a video collaboration bundle, or interconnectivity between, say, a barcode scanner and inventory software, we can facilitate third-party licensing and activations that are necessary, manual or automated provisioning or firmware setup, configuration specific to a vertical or an opportunity can be applied. These kits can also include instructions and quick start guides, customization in the form of asset tags, and custom labels that can be included on physical product to identify things like ports and which cables may need to be connected. So after the guides, the labeling, the instructions, the physical products have been identified, they're all then fit into a custom Pelican case, or kit as we call it, for safe and secure storage and shipping. Once these materials and the customer experience requirements of the demos are confirmed, a supporting cast of integrated services makes this demo program possible. First, our 3PL warehousing provides full lifecycle management of these kits. The units are inventoried, they're assigned a single custom part SKU, and they're made visible on the provider's account. Either via a self-service portal or an API, they're able to manage and have real-time visibility to all transactions, including demo orders, demo returns, and even inventory movement. Is a demo kit in the warehouse? parts? Is it in flight? Is it out for a demo? With full lifecycle management, our customizable RMA and repair process addresses the kits as they're returned from the end user after the trial period. Based on the needs and the requirements of the individual customer and the materials in the demo kit, we can provide individual part testing, refurbishment and cleaning, and even part replacement when the kits are returned. This RMA process ensures the units are repaired, put back in good working condition, and are ready to be shipped out for that next end user demo. The 8,000 square feet of space dedicated to Workbench jobs ensures our continued ability to scale to meet ever-increasing demands. So if this interests you, enlisting Workbench for your demo needs is simple. We'll need to collect some detail so we can suggest or build the offering that's right for you and your customer. Then we'll guide you down the path to success. So once you've got everything you need on hand, contact your sales rep here at Communication Solution Services. You can also call 800-289-6389 or email us at css.us.sales@ingrammicro.com. We'll have you provide us with the type of devices we need to configure, the customer experience you'd like to deliver, and what devices we'll need to interact with. Our business analyst and product team will get to work on delivering your demo request. So after reviewing and signing off on a mock-up of the job, we'll vet the proposed process via our high-tech production line, using the data we gather to drop the final scope of work. Typical turnaround is between 3 and 5 business days, depending on availability of the products and components in our Workbench lab. We look forward to hearing from you to discuss how Ingram Micro Communication Solution Services demo program and Workbench can help drive more opportunities within your business. Thank you.
Get the most out of your Poly personal conferencing devices with Poly Plus. Poly experts are available day or night, anytime you need help. If the worst happens, Poly is here for you with prepaid advanced next business day replacement. Full replacement coverage up to 3 years, making sure you never miss a beat. And with Poly Lens included, IT has better visibility and control to enable your team's productivity. As a valued member of Poly Plus, you're entitled to exclusive discounts on select professional services that can be delivered remotely, wherever you work. Find out more about Poly Plus service and support from the people who know your Poly device best. Visit poly.com/plus.